Hi, good morning children. This is Sujata B, the teacher on K.R. Lakam Memorial CBSE School, Mudhol. Okay, how are you all? Fine. Yes, good. So, today I discuss about the Hindi subject. Okay, today I am going to teach about the subject of Hindi. Okay, children, what is the Hindi? What is Hindi? Hindi ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು? Okay, you don't know what is the Hindi. Hindi is one of the language. ಹಿಂದಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆ. ಯು ರೈಟ್ ನೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಹಿಂದಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. No, this is called a Hindi. Okay, children. Yes, Hindi. The Hindi subject have a 13 vowels. Look at here. 13 vowels and 36 consonants. Okay, ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು ಓವೆಲ್ಸು 13 ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 36. Okay, I think you all remember in English vowels. What are the English vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Same like we have vowels in Hindi is called a ಸ್ವರಾಕ್ಷರ. ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಓವೆಲ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, the same thing in Hindi we called ಸ್ವರಾಕ್ಷರ. ನಾವು ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಸ್ವರಾಕ್ಷರ. Look at here. These are all called vowels. Okay, vowels are in Hindi we called ಸ್ವರಾಕ್ಷರ. In English vowels. Next, remaining are 36 letters we called consonants. ಉಳಿದಂಥ 36 ಲೆಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, and vowels and consonants, these are the vowels and these are all up to kshatra up to tra we are called consonants. Okay, these are all together we are called ವರ್ಣಮಾಲಾ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲಾಗಿ ಎರಡೂ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ವರ್ಣಮಾಲಾ. ಹಿಂದಿ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ we are going to learn how to write letters. How to write first vowels. Look at here. These are all vowels up to aha. But we don't know how to write. Okay, that's why we are going to learn first vowels or ಸ್ವರಾಕ್ಷರ. Okay, we have 13 vowels. Once again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay children, these are called vowels or in Hindi ಸ್ವರಾಕ್ಷರ. ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವರಾಕ್ಷರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, we read it. First we read it. Okay, once time. A, I, U, Ru. A, I, O, Au, Aha. Okay children, you read one by one. Okay, then how to write it? What is the first letter? This is a first letter. Okay, let me teach how to write a. How to write a. We learn now how to write a. Are you ready children? Now let's see you. look at the board. All of you look at the board how to write a. Okay. This is your notebook. Okay. This is your notebook. 3-line notebook. You bring 3-line notebook. Okay. This is your notebook. Okay, children. Now write a first letter a. How to write a? Okay. No. Do you know how to write 3? Number 3. How to write number 3? Look at here. This is your 3-line book, notebook, and do you know how to write 3? Like this. Half circle. Okay. Half circle. First you write half circle. And next one you write half circle. Okay. Look at here. 1, 2. You write here 2 half circle. This is a number 3. Do you know number 3 how to write? This is 3. And next you write sleeping line. 1 sleeping line. Next you write standing line. Okay, children. Next you write standing line. Next you write small sleeping line. Okay, children. Next you write small sleeping line. This is called a. Say ananas. Okay. Next one, how to write a? Like same this. You write. Do you know how to write 3? You like write here 3. Okay. Half circle. Next sleeping line. Next standing line. Next, children, this is a. Do you know how to write a? And next, how to write a? You write another standing line. Okay, children. A. Okay. 2 standing line. Okay. A. A. Next one, children. E. How to write E? Okay. You look at here. Standing line. Curve line. 2 like this. Look at here. And small sleeping line. Okay, children. This is E. E for Emily. Okay. Next one. Big letter E. 1 standing line, small standing line. Next half circle. Next like this. You write like this, half circle. Okay. Then you write half sleeping line. Next you write half circle like this. This is called a E. Okay, children. You know how to write Swarakshara. A, E. Okay, children. You know how to write the Swarakshara or vowels. Okay, children. You practice it home carefully. Okay, I know you. Or you practice at home. Okay. Next class, I will tell you next letters. Okay, children. Today's class was completed. Thank you so much.